Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today it's a plant video and starting off with my lovely Aglaonema lipstick. Look at the vibrant colors. Oh my god, you look so pretty. This is my Wandering Jew, the trade Scantia given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti. It was a small stem and now see how beautiful it is looking, how nicely it has been growing these days. Love it. Now look at what has happened to my chubby succulent. The pink portion that you see, it's not that it is colored, but it has been affected by the direct sun's heat, most probably because I had placed it in the direct sunlight, and this is what has happened. Finally, my green calathea has given out a new leaf. That is something to celebrate because it is a very slow growing plant, and in all these years, I think it's been with me for 2.5 years or 3 years. This is the growth. Thanks for giving out a new leaf. And that's my bougainvillea. I always love showing you the bougainvillea. Actually, I am always fascinated with the colored bracts it produces. And look at the tip turning brown because of the sun's rays. And this is my cutie pie, the Syngonium. Strawberry Eyes. What a perfect name. And look at this beauty. You look so beautiful, so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. What a wonderful plant. Thank God I could get one. And that's the matured leaf. This is my Hoya Crimson Queen, which is also giving out new leaves, and I am happy with its growth. Just 2-3 days I just lifted the pot and I saw a huge army of ants, and I had to spray some insecticide. Finally it is okay. Now the ants have all ran away, and the plant, thank God, it has not been affected by the ants. I don't know if there would be a delay, what would have happened again. A beautiful plant, first Hoya in my collection. Now that's my Cryptanthus, doing just wonderful. Very easy to grow plant, but you have to be careful while handling this plant as the edges are very sharp, and it's better to keep it away from small children as their skin are very tender. And I am planning to shift or remove it to some bigger pot. Let's see when that happens. Now this is the chrysanthemum. This is my first plant that has produced buds, and I'm just waiting for it to bloom. This is my sedum, my succulent, which is all leaf grown. That is why I keep showing you again and again, although it has lost its color. Now this is my mini jade, or the Porthulicara afra variegata. A beautiful plant. Now that's my string of hearts, spreading love. I feel scared to touch the plant as well, you know. Don't know where I will tear it off and suddenly it will start wilting. But right now it looks fine. This is the variegated one, and this is the non-variegated one. The leaves are smaller, but they are beautiful. Thank you my friends for staying till the end. If you all have found the video interesting, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing, and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.